Hey guys, it's me again. On the off-grid, I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of our, somewhat of our farm here with our rabbits and maybe some of our chickens. So I'll give you guys a quick glimpse of that. I had some zucchinis that were getting ready to go bad, and we're gonna feed some to the rabbits. So I'll show you guys what I do with that. Here's one of them here. This is one of our bucks here. So I'll just take a piece of this. Give it to him. There you go, Daddy. Him one. They get fed like 3 times a day. We keep them pretty fed up, pretty good. There you guys go. They eat a lot of the stuff out of our garden. Anything leftovers that we have for like vegetables and things like that, we'll give to the rabbits. So here's one of our younger ones. Let's see here. I'll go over here to this side. And we have some more over here. Hey guys. What's going on, you guys? There we go. They are pushy. There. It's over here. There you go, little lady. There you go. Yeah. They're pretty cool. All of our rabbits they're pretty nice. They're not aggressive or anything like that. Let's grab some more here. Big old copter flying. Little lady. And you. There you go. Oh yeah. I'll tear into that. And what do we have over here? Some more rabbits. Let's see here. Oh, come on, little lady. I know. I'll get you fed in there. And last but not least, this little lady here. Oop. Bumped you in the head there. But that is my rabbits. Got water. Make sure they all have water. Yep. Now we got water. Good to go. And then I'll show you guys a little glimpse of our chickens. We're going to be moving this chicken coop. This has only been here for a few years, and they sure make a mess. But these are our chickens. We got little ones inside of the smaller cage in there, and then inside that coop there. They lay all their eggs in there. We usually get, we get about 1.5 to 2 dozen a day, give or take. So it's more than plenty. So, and then they have all the area to run. But we're going to be tearing this stuff out before snow. And we're going to be building on the back here. We're going to clear some of these trees out and put in a much better chicken coop for these guys. So we'll see how things go, and we'll have some more videos coming. If you guys hit the subscribe button, follow button, be much appreciated. And we'll see you guys in the next video.